Bybit will be launching a new token on their launch, which is F token, and this is one of the best way to make money in crypto. You will get a free token before you start trading online and sell it for profit. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. You want to navigate to Bybit Launchpool. So once you come right here on this Launchpool, you'll be able to find this token right here. And Bybit have already raised 38 million worth of dollar in this pool, and 3 million plus of people have already participated in this event, and they have total projects 38 projects. So stake and earn token for free. So right here we have this F token is a leading decentralized exchange that's DEX and full stack finance. So you can always come to their website and this white paper and rules to learn more about this project if you want to deep dive into this project. So you have two options right here to stake in this pool with this MNT pool to receive this F token, or use this USDT pool, stake your USDT pool to earn F token. So right here, the price pool is going to be 20 million. So there will be 20 million worth of F token that is going to be distributed to people who participate in this event, and the APR is going to be 960%. So it depends on how many people invest in this project is going to determine the percentage of APR in this event. One thing you want to do is press participate, register to participate. Right now you are successful register to participate, and the staking is going to start in 3 days, 18 minutes, 52, 18 hours. Sorry, if the staking is going to start 3 days, 18 hours, 52 minutes, and 10 seconds. So once this staking starts, and you'll be able to stake your MNT pool token in this pool, you'll be sharing a 6 million of this pool in with people who they are going to be staking their token. And if you be staking USDT, you'll be sharing a total of 40 million of this token. That is a huge amount of token to compete with everyone that is going to be staking their stablecoin. So the the staking period is going to it's going to start on December 2, 10 o'clock UTC time, and it's going to end at December 12, December 5 UTC time, 10 o'clock UTC time. And then the listing is going to start in 7 days, 18 hours, 51 minutes, and 10 seconds. So this is the quick update you need to know about this project. If you want to stay updated on my channel, you don't want to miss this kind of quick update about how to make money with crypto or how to navigate crypto generally, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful, and I'll be happy to make more video. And let me know what you think about this project, and any question you have, let me know in the comment section. I will be there to interact with you guys.